Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Day in My Life Channel. So today I'm going to show you my fridge magnet collection. So come on, let's get into the video. So first I'm gonna tell about the fridge magnet collection. So every people who visit different countries, they will get fridge magnets from there as a remembrance, as a memory that they have visited that country. Likewise, even I have some of the beautiful memories here, along with some of the collection that are bought from online. So if you're not able to travel, then no worries, you can anyways get from Amazon. Everything is available in Amazon, so you can get it from there. So I'm gonna show you my collection. First, I'm gonna start with the Singapore magnet. So this, my aunt got me this Singapore metal magnet. It has the Singapore symbol and the name here engraved in this. It's a rustic gold magnet. It looks so lovely and it's a great memory for my aunt. She has visited that country, so she got fridge magnets for everyone, and it's a good memory and it's a best gift as well. Next one I'm gonna show is Dubai's. So my friend went to Dubai and he got this fridge magnet for me. See how lovely it is. It's a golden metallic vintage like fridge magnet collection. It has trees here, coconut trees, then it has the Dubai Tower. The name is engraved here, and it has a camel here, Dubai Khalifa Tower, and other famous buildings which the country is known for, which the place is known for. So it's very good collection and it's a good memory for me too. This is also bought from Dubai. The name is here. And it has 3 stones here. And it has all the memorable things and symbols of Dubai. Specialities of Dubai are engraved in this. So it's one of the best one. Next, I bought a fruit, orange fruit fridge magnet. This I bought from a local store. I wanted to fix something that is eatable, so I bought a fruit here, which is my favorite fruit. So I got this. It's made out of clay. Then next I'm going to show you is from Egypt. So actually we did not visit Egypt, but nevertheless Amazon has everything. So I got from Amazon, which is so beautiful, camel which is a symbol of Egypt. Symbol in the sense, camels are famous in Egypt. So they have made this magnet. It's very nice, and the name Egypt is written here, engraved here. Next comes one of my favorite magnets, which is from South Africa. Taxi, South Africa. So South Africa has taxis, so they have given that in the magnet, and the name is engraved here. And these are the things, luggages of these people going in taxi. This is so cute and this is so colorful also. I bought this from Amazon. It's made out of clay. Next one is also one of my favorites, which is from London. This is London's bus, double-decker bus and bridge and so on. This is a telephone booth. See how lovely it is, and the name of the place is engraved here as London. And on the top it is given as telephone. This is made in England. It's beautiful. Next, the last one is the best of all, which represents India, my nation. So I'm really proud of being an Indian and I love India. So this is one of the best ones. This I got from Chumbak and it's Charminar. It's enamel metal magnet. It's so colorful and lovely, and it's a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a set of 5 which I got for 995 rupees. This is Vandermast. And this is a camera. This is an auto which is available in India. See how lovely it is. It's a masterpiece because Chumbak is known for its colorful products. See how lovely it is. And lastly, Indian sandals. So these are beautiful magnet collections that I have purchased, and some are from the countries, directly from the countries as well. So I love my magnet collections and I hope you also loved it. So okay friends, we have come to the end of this video, and if you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel Day in My Life Jana, and please share it with your friends and family. And I will meet you in another great video like this, and until then, it's bye from Lydia. Bye.